What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to another one, and today we're heading out back to Alum Creek. I know we just fished the OKF there, but we did okay there, but it left a little bit of a bitter taste in mouth after that. So we're going back on a little bit of a revenge tour, redemption, but this time from the bass boat. So we're not yakking around Alum Creek. We're just gonna try and catch some fish, get our confidence levels back up to where they were, and just try and catch some fish and have some fun. Enjoy. It's a nice one. God, you make it look easy. That's a 17.
It's a long.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's a freaking nice one, dude. You using that?
No.
Dude, nice one.
I thought he was a little bit bigger than he was, but
He looked bigger. He looks long.
dude, he's got like,
it's a 2-pounder.
he's got like a lamprey looking wound thing on him.
Yeah. That water's nasty back in here.
I thought I hit a limb because he like bumped it, but like he picked it up and was running at me, so I couldn't. I thought I was just reeling slack. Yeah. Little dink. No.
You don't think so? 12 inches?
I might go 12. Don't they have to be 14 to keep for a bass tournament?
12.
My guess is 11.
That's
11.
It looks bigger when it was coming out of the water.
Yeah, he ain't 12. I think I'm gonna pick up the chatterbait. Let's see, how far out there? Is that right on top of the rock pile? Because I don't want to blow it out if they're...
It might be.
Right.
Oh, there's one.
Small jaw. Hell yeah. Little smallie. Oh, I pulled it off. Just barely. Almost been ran over yet. It's because there's been nobody to run me over. Or just be stupid like me.
Or just stay back in the tubes.
Yeah.
Or go on like some. Oh, nice, dude. On the bottom of the lip, too.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Well, it's because he hit it on the fall.
Oh, he's pissing all over the boat.
Piss that way.
He's losing weight. You want a picture?
Sure. That's like, I flipped that thing right up, super close to that bush. He hit it. That's like 2 pounds on the dot, probably.
Yeah. I thought I just doubled up.
Oh, that's a nice one. Never mind, it's not that big.
That's a good one. Where are you catching that?
Oh, he's bleeding.
Really?
Yeah, there.
No, come back here.
It's not gonna.
You're smoking me.
I don't know how he's bleeding. He's like in the top of the mouth.
Top of the mouth, really. One go right there.
2-pounder. There's gotta be a fish on that tree. There's bait jumping next to it. There's also gotta be one under that bush somewhere. That's a good one right there. We called that shot.
Dude, these are all quality fish.
Dude, we gotta be at 10 pounds.
Look at that. Hook.
We gotta be at 10 pounds now.
I said I'm gonna switch up to something a little lower profile.
They stick out because they look like houses you'd see like around here. They're not like one of the like little cottage things. It's a blue house. The back, if you're going down the cul-de-sac, it's the, oh, he just ate it right at the bank. Just watch him eat it.
That's a freaking good one too. What the heck, bro? That's like freaking 3.5.
Dude, I watched him eat it right at the bank. That was sweet. Dude, he's barely hooked.
Spinnerbait color is crazy good. I did that with the wacky worm. I watched him eat those wacky worm fish I was catching a couple weeks ago.
Dude, that was down his
Picture of that
gullet.
sucker.
He tried to choke on that thing.
Here, where's your phone? Oh, goodness. Oh, no, it's not big. He got it on the fall.
How heavy is your head?
Yeah?
No, I don't think he's. Hey, get over here. Damn, he smoked that thing on the fall. I think it should be fine. Famous last words though. He's fighting.
Oh, is it a smaller or larger?
I think it's smallie. Leader. Oh, largy.
We can't escape these stupid darts round. That's a good one too.
He's fat, man.
You want a picture of that one too?
Sure.
We
Fat
pull
little
up on
toad.
this point.
He's a fat little toad. Yeah, hold on. Just got grass now. That's weird. It's like it's. Is there grass on the rocks here?
There might be.
So I can feel it like getting like weirdly heavy.
Oh, there is definitely grass on these spots for sure.
It's not like fish heavy, but it's like.
But it's like hard bottom grass.
Yeah.
Which is different than just soft bottom.
There's one.
Actually? Good one or no?
No way.
Oh, that's a freaking keeper, dude. Holy.
Oh shit, he just broke me off.
Take a picture
He's
of that.
got my triple threat in his mouth.
You want to keep him?
He just got bit. Don't worry, I'll watch
That's a
your
good
rod.
one, dude. That's actually a good one.
Don't worry, I'll watch your rod tip for you. You're dead sticking it.
What the heck, bro? Are you out of your freaking mind, dude?
Look at his red eyes.
You'll watch my rod for me. I was looking up.
Man, should throw a crankbait at him? Is it too grassy, you think? Oh.
Yeah? This is so dumb. Oh, that's so cool, dude.
Mom, I caught a fish on live scope. Pop right off. He's so thick and fat.
That's so cool.
Oh, he just splashed both of us. Well, I am editing the video and realized that I forgot to make an outro. So that being said, welcome to the outro. And all in all, this day was absolutely amazing. I don't think I've ever had, this is probably a top 3 day on Alum Creek for me. I mean, we absolutely killed him. We caught him however we wanted. It was largemouth up shallow, largemouth off deep, smallmouth we catch offshore up shallow, pretty much on whatever bait we threw at him, Ned heads, spinnerbaits, chatterbaits, all of that. It was just fun to go out there and whack some fish. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me and Will go whack some fish. But that being said, hit the like button. Check me out on Instagram and TikTok at OKBassin. Thank you guys for watching. Check you on the next one. See you.